Paul wrote to the Ephesian church and he said, God, He put all things under Jesus' feet and gave Him as head over all things to the church. Jesus is our head. Everything, say everything. Everything is under Him. This is His body. Look at the person there next to you. This is the body. You might be looking at a pinky, you might be looking at a spleen at the moment, you might be looking at an ear. But all plays a part of the body, and Christ is the head. So His feet reminds us that He has dominion. He speaks over us. Hy regeer, hy suiwer en hy het geregtigheid. Righteousness is in Jesus. We couldn't be made righteous by ourselves, righteous in the right place before God. Jesus, through what He did, made us right before God. So looking at the feet, John was reminded that Jesus rules. He's the one. Because did Matthew not write that all authority belongs to Jesus? Where? In heaven and on earth. So all authority, which? All authority belongs to Jesus. His bronze feet reminds us of that. Hoekom maak dit vir my en jou saak? 1 John 4 verse 4.